Welcome everyone to today's video on unveiling the power of chia seeds. Chia seeds have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their numerous health benefits. Today, we will explore the incredible nutritional value and versatility of these tiny seeds. So let's dive right in! Before we discuss their benefits, let's understand what chia seeds are. Chia seeds are small, oval-shaped seeds that come from the plant Salvia hispanica, native to Mexico. They were highly valued by the ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations for their energy-boosting properties. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential nutrients. They are rich in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and various vitamins and minerals. These tiny seeds also contain a good amount of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Now let's delve into the amazing health benefits of chia seeds. Firstly, their high fiber content helps regulate digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Consuming chia seeds can aid in weight management by reducing appetite and promoting a feeling of fullness. Chia seeds are also known for their heart-healthy properties. The omega-3 fatty acids present in chia seeds help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Another remarkable benefit of chia seeds is their potential to stabilize blood sugar levels. The gel-like substance formed when chia seeds are soaked in water slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes. Apart from their health benefits, chia seeds are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. They can be incorporated into various dishes, adding a nutritional boost. Chia seeds can be sprinkled over salads, yogurt, or cereal for added crunch and texture. They can also be used as an egg substitute in vegan baking or blended into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. One of the most popular ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, sweetener, and flavorings, and let it sit overnight to create a delightful and nutritious pudding. If you're new to chia seeds, here are a few tips for incorporating them into your diet. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. Remember to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds, as they absorb liquid and can cause discomfort if not properly hydrated. It's also essential to store chia seeds in a cool, dry place, preferably in an airtight container, to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. And there you have it, the incredible power of chia seeds. From their nutritional value to their versatility in the kitchen, chia seeds truly deserve their superfood status. So why not give them a try and unlock their potential for a healthier lifestyle? Thank you all for watching today's video on unveiling the power of chia seeds. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy, and until next time, take care.